So we know that trauma plays a big part in behavior, but what we don't want to do is we don't want to make the mistake of thinking that traumatized people should not have limits and should not have expectations. That's the worst mistake we can make. We hear lots of messages about, oh, this poor thing happened, this happened. Absolutely, we have to consider that. But we want to make sure that the expectations are in place. Because when you're traumatized, you need limits. You need that box to close in. You need those expectations. You need to know that somebody cares enough about you to say no and to follow through and not continue to make excuses while we're helping you to be healthier. So that's a balance for us. We're emotional, we understand it, but we've got to be realistic. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.